Hello guys, this is Chef Radhika. Today we are going to make ice cream. It's a natural ice cream which can be easily made at home. So today I'm going to show you how this ice cream is being made. First we will be taking a heavy bottom pan with 500 ml of milk. So to that we will be adding 100 grams of sugar, and I have taken full fat milk, not the normal one. Then after that we will be adding corn flour, which I have taken 1 teaspoon, 1 tsp. Then I have taken 100 grams of milk powder. To this we will be adding 60 grams of liquid glucose. I have taken this one. Okay. 60 is done. First just stir this so that it is lump free. You just have to boil this. You can add a pinch of salt to this. So today I will be giving you two flavors. One we will be making red velvet ice cream and another butterscotch. Yes, it is done. I will be removing it from the stove. Once it is cooled, we will be adding our condensed milk. This condensed milk is 100 grams. Just cool this. I will be beating this whipped cream to a soft peak. See, just the dropping consistency. It's a soft. See, just a straw. This consistency you need. By the way, I have microwaved the cream cheese for like maybe 15 seconds so that it gets soft. And the mixture is cooled down. It has cooled down. So we will be adding to this mixture 100 grams, 100 ml of condensed milk. Adding my soft whipping cream. This both mixture is called plain vanilla base. Then please add it in parts so that it is easy to mix little by little. Or what you can do, you can mix this mixture to the whipping cream, liquid to the whipping cream, It will take little by little time to mix it. Just strain it so that you can get rid of all the lumps and all. I'm going to strain this as I'm getting a lot of lumps. If it's lump free, then your ice cream will be very good. You won't get those lumps and all. Just this. It's perfect. So this is the plain batter. To this you can add any flavor. For the butterscotch, I will be using the Color Splash color to give a color for yellow color, and for the red velvet I will be using this magic color Super Whip, which I will be adding to the red velvet. And this powder color is too strong, just add little, it will just give you a great color. To that I will be adding, for the butterscotch I will be adding this Fab vanilla Fab butterscotch essence. And if you don't have cream cheese, you can add the flavor, cream cheese flavor. See this one. And the butterscotch crush, I have this cream cheese, so I will be adding it. To the cheese cream I will be adding 1 tsp or tablespoon of cocoa powder. Be adding this mixture to the our vanilla base, and we will whip it for 1 second till it get mixed properly. We will be adding little bit of color. You can add cream cheese essence too. What did I keep? So we will be putting very little. If you want, you can put little more, not much. Here's this. I will be putting little bit of the essence, as I have put very little bit of cream cheese. Just to give a flavor. This is good to go. So I will be using this. Now good to go. Just keep this in the freezer overnight. I will be making butterscotch. I will be taking little bit more. Yes. So we'll be adding, and whenever you put this essence, just smell and put it. Now we put little bit of yellow color. This yellow color is enough. for the I will be putting the nuggets. Just have to see. Yes, all the butterscotch has gone down. What else you can do is once it is freeze little bit, just like you say 1 hour, just take out the butterscotch ice cream and put the nuggets over it. If the kids like tutti frutti, you can put that also. Just for my this thing, I will be putting this. I'm placing this parchment paper pipe because the condensation won't happen, the ice crystal won't form. Or you can cover it with the silver foil also, but I prefer parchment paper. This is our red velvet ice cream and this is our butterscotch, and it is all naturally made. It's all pure. I have not added any preservative of chemical or stabilizer, and it is eggless also. I'll be sharing you the recipe on the comment box. Please do share and do comment. So, bye from Radhika, pastry chef.